Bonjour, mes amis. I'm Bernardi, the Demon Fairy Snail. And I wanted to talk to you about the future of this channel. On June 5th, 2019, is the 10th anniversary since the creation of the channel, Bernardi. To commemorate the anniversary, we want to invite you to check out our second channel, which will be called Bernardi the Snail. The second channel will be exclusively dedicated to new art videos. The original channel Bernardi will continue to exist and will serve as the archives. As for our current series, Bernardi Doodles Season 3 is going to be the finale, and then the reboot is going to air exclusively on the second channel. Our other series, Bernardi Reads Comics, will be ending at the end of this year, around the time Doomsday Clock issue 12 comes out. That series will not be rebooted. Or who knows, if it does end up coming back, it will be uploaded on this main channel. Because remember, the second channel is just for art videos and ASMR. Okay? Thank you for joining us for the past couple of years. We hope you stick around. We hope you continue to watch our videos in our second channel. I love you all. Au revoir. Is that a cut? How about now? Are we still on air? Director? Where did everybody go? Hello? Anybody there?